I am beginning to wonder if escapism holds power in sustainability. Think about it. We talk constantly about what success looks like when everyone is watching: the house, the car, the vacation, the outfit, the photographs proving that we were there. But what does success look like when nobody is watching? What are you wearing? I mean, what are you actually wearing when you're completely alone and have absolutely nobody to impress? I'm talking after the performance of the day is done. Maybe it's an old grandma sweater that you consider an heirloom, but it's lost its shape years ago. Maybe it's a silk robe you've owned for over 15 years, but your skin looks forward to being covered in it at the end of a long day. Maybe it's your dad's old house shoes that you inherited that are hanging on by 3 threads. There's something revealing about the clothing we choose to wear in private. Fashion is usually discussed as performance. We dress for work, dinner, dates, interviews, weddings, funerals, friend outings, photographs, and various other events. But private clothing is different. The clothing we wear behind closed doors reveals what comfort really means to us. That's what real luxury feels like. That's what real luxury is. And that's what real luxury means. What we reach for when the performance of the day is over. And I think sustainability has a place in that conversation because sustainability shouldn't only ask whether something can decompose. It should also ask whether we can love something long enough to keep it. Can a garment become part of our lives? Can it survive different versions of us? Can it become so familiar that replacing it almost makes you feel ridiculous? I think some of the most sustainable things we own are the things that allow us to escape. They aren't necessarily ethically certified. They may not be made from the world's most environmentally responsible textiles, but we keep them, we repair them, we remember them. And perhaps that matters more than we admit, because the most environmentally responsible garment in the world isn't particularly sustainable if nobody wants to wear it. There's beauty and fantasy in escapism. Maybe the things that give us somewhere to go, even emotionally, are the things that we're least willing to discard. And maybe that is what success wears when no one is looking. Once again, thank you for listening. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. And if you are not a member of the 4Y Inner Circle, please go to the website and enter in your email address so you can get all the latest updates on upcoming 4Y fashion events, conversations, and launches. I'm Tempest. Thank you for listening.